Guys, I want to show you the power of Microsoft 365 and OneNote specifically today. This is one of the coolest products. I've used it for years. I literally was sitting in front with a guy in a conference and he was taking notes. And I was like, so cool. And I'm like, what is that? He said, that's Microsoft OneNote. This has been years ago. And I'm like, wow, what does it do? And so he started showing me. I just want to give you a brief kind of an overview. This is how I run my life. And I just picked a particular month here of December. And this is a way that I keep myself on task and I also keep others on task. I use this, I embed this in Microsoft Teams a lot of times for specific meetings that I'm having. And I'm going to be doing a demo and I'm going to show you how to do that. But with this in particular, this is just December. This is some videos that I was going to shoot for each month, focusing on what each month I was going to do within that month. And, it's just basically, I love how you can come in here and you can easily select things like put in to do check boxes. I love the check boxes because I get to check them off when they get done, things like that. Then I have another tab here. And if I want to add a page, I simply click down here and I just add additional items and I can put it in here. And oftentimes I'll do a checkbox and I'll do, list of items. And then I might want to put a star by one, meaning it's extremely important. And I literally have this. I used to do it on a daily basis. I had daily kind of running, items to do items. Then I'd copy and paste them to the next day. And what I started doing was I started really isolating the activities based on who I was working with and what I needed to get done. And I do them for an entire month. So if you were to go back and look at my life, you could see what I was doing on a monthly basis. And I like the month view because it's small enough that I can kind of get a bite size. I spend the end of the month putting together the next month, and really I cut and paste some things and I just drop them over into another section. Like right here, I would just go say January. And then I would simply cut and paste some of these over. I can move them and copy them to this page called January. I can move and then take out the things that I've already accomplished that I don't want to keep up with. And the neat thing about it is that I have it where I can put it on my phone. And I have all that there. If I'm sitting somewhere, instead of browsing social media, I'll pick up basically my to-do list or things that I need to keep in my mind, and I can look at it. And whenever you incorporate that with like Microsoft Teams, all of the communication that goes with these activities stays in one channel. If it's set up properly, it's backed up. It also can be browsed and searched so that you can do a global search on the whole team, which is another kind of a great feature that's there. But Microsoft OneNote, if you want to find out more about how to use Microsoft 365 as an accelerant, what I do for a living is help companies that want to use technology as an accelerant, that want to grow their business, want to become more effective in what they do, and actually be able to stomp their competitors. I want it where whenever I wake up in the morning, I want my competitors to worry about what I'm going to do, and I use technology to get me there. So if you want to figure that out, look in my bio, hit me up. Let's get together. I'll give you a free demo of some very life-changing things using OneNote, Microsoft Teams, and really make a difference.